Hey everyone, welcome to Leon's Computers channel. So today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of one of the most challenging repairs we've tackled. So this gaming laptop came to us with this worn out keyboard. That was the main problem. But it also had a swollen, dying battery and a really noisy, worn out cooling fan. So it was clear that this gaming laptop needed some serious TLC to get our customer gaming again. So to replace the keyboard, we had to take out the fans. So as you can see, these are some pretty massive dual fans. We're also taking out the spinning drive, and we'll get to the Wi-Fi card in a bit, but that's actually the M.2. The next one we're going to do is the Wi-Fi card. And to replace this keyboard, we had to take the entire laptop apart, and this involved carefully removing each component. Here we're removing the motherboard so we can get right to the part of getting to this plate. Assembly off. And so as you can tell, there's quite a few little these tabs we got to pop off. Now we remove the keyboard, we replace it with a new one, and here we're installing the new keyboard, and we're actually using a 3D printer pen. That way it stays in place. And so with the new keyboard in place, we're putting the plate back on as well. Quite a few of these little points that we gotta put back. And so we'll start reassembling the laptop very carefully. Put the hinges back on to the bottom plate for the palm rest. So here we're installing the motherboard, the plate cover for the back. new battery. Here we already removed the old fans, and here we're putting the new fans on. The old fans were really noisy. One of them was not working at all. We're attaching our cooler, our heat pipe coolers, and fans, fan assembly. So after we meticulously reassembled the laptop, we perform a series of benchmarks and tests to make sure everything's working perfectly and that the temperatures are down. The fans are nice and quiet, and our client's super happy with the work we did. It's as good as new. At Leon's Computers, we handle repairs like this all the time. And whether it's a keyboard replacement or a battery swap or any other physical laptop repair, we've got the expertise to get your devices back into shape.